In 24/7 environments, sit-stand consoles offer a wealth of health benefits and flexibility for operators. But attaining the proper monitor height and focal length can present a challenge, especially when each workstation has multiple users. The UnityARM 2.0 is the pinnacle of monitor mounting systems. Engineered for performance, flexibility, and durability while providing operators the ultimate in 24/7 ergonomic comfort. Employing a high-quality precision steel glide system, the mounting solution delivers front-to-back and up-and-down motions independent of the desktop position to achieve the ideal operator sightlines for both comfort and long-term ergonomic safety. Electronic motors offer programmable height and focal depth settings via the touch of a button with our optional EnviroLink touch control interface. Users are able to easily adjust the height and focal depth of the monitor arm or quickly access up to 4 previously stored user configurations. The UnityARM delivers a configurable monitor mounting solution with the ability to seamlessly support single or 2-tier monitor arrays, while an integrated cable management and power distribution hub allows for streamlined cable routing and a cleaner, well-organized appearance. The UnityARM 2.0 is designed to deliver the performance needed to withstand the demands of 24/7 mission-critical environments, ensuring comfort, safety, and efficiency for every operator.